Welsh lamb is exceptional. It's completely different. So like when you buy a leg of lamb in the supermarkets compared to here, it's not the same product. Like all our lamb has been grass fed here in different conways, so everything is just much better quality here. Lamb meatballs. These were sourced locally down the road in Maynham, about 4 miles away from the shop. These have got a hint of mint in them, and they're locally produced, slaughtered in Llanrwst, come to the shop, and now we've produced them into these lovely meatballs. If you buy local here, our lambs tend to be on the leaner side because they're raised properly. There's no fat, and any fat content there is, we do trim it off into these meatballs. So usually you see when you buy them from the supermarket, you get a puddle of oil or fat juices, and you don't get that with these because they're quite lean. I would have these meatballs with some salad, like a Greek style, or with some pittas, and lamb does not get used as much as it should, really. It's just the circle of the farming industry, so the farmers get the money that they deserve from us, and we get the product that we want to sell for the public.